and I'm sharing my screen. Last session we discussed about client lists, right? We discussed about client lists, and today we are discussing about I would say template. So in the client lists we included in the last time I would say yesterday's session in two types, right? One is the component level, and second one is the template level. Second one is the template level. Okay, so today we'll try to understand what does it mean by template. This template also called as dynamic template. This template also called as dynamic template, also called as editable template. Editable template. Editable template. Template meaning template is the blueprint for the page. Template is the blueprint for the page. Blueprint for the page. For creating for creating pages, for creating pages, for creating pages, templates are mandatory. Templates are mandatory. Templates are mandatory. Without a template, without templates, without templates, we cannot create. Without templates, we cannot create. We cannot create pages. Okay. Templates are mandatory to create the pages. What is template? Template is the blueprint. For example, if you want to construct a building, so directly you can able to start the building. No, right? Before starting the construction, you itself you can imagine like how many floors you want to construct, like two floors, three floors, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. Before construction only you can you have some idea. So same way, template is also blueprint for the page, and for creating the pages, templates are mandatory. Without templates, we cannot create the pages. Without templates, we cannot create the pages. Okay. Now, after this, next point is how to create template. This is the question they will ask. How to create template. I will tell you step wise. So for creating the template, you need page component is required. These are the mandatory steps. Like any developer, the developer might be like say 5 years of experience, 10 years of experience, 15 years of experience. Any person, if the requirement is they want to create the template, this is the process. Any person they have to do the same way. Page component, first one is the page component, and next we need template type, and after that we need template, and next we need to enable the template, and fifth step is create new pages using new template. Create new pages using new template, right? Okay, fine. These are the steps we have to follow. Page component, template type, template, enable template, create new pages using new template. Okay. So where actually the components are available? Components are available UI apps, right? Okay, I am going to the UI apps. Before that, I need to open my AEM instance. AEM, click on that dot jar, and then I am going with my AEM instance. So that will be open, and here you need to understand template level modes. Template modes, also called as sections. Template sections. Template sections. There are three types actually, guys. So first one is structure, and the second one is initial, and third one is layout. Third one is layout. Structure meaning all components are locked. Okay. Next step is all components are locked. It will maintain it will maintain dynamic relation with it will maintain dynamic relation with already created pages. Already created pages and new pages as well. Created pages and new pages as well. And new pages as well. Are you guys clear with my statements? So in the template have the three modes. What are the three modes? Structure, initial, and layout. Structure meaning all components are locked and it will maintain dynamic relation. Dynamic relation meaning if you change any thing in the template, that will be affect to all the already created pages and new pages as well. New pages as well. And comes to initial. So initially all components are locked. When you unlock, those components will move from structural mode to initial mode. And here all components are unlocked. All components are unlocked. Are you guys clear with my statements? And here the thing, next step is it will not maintain any dynamic relation with created pages. It will not maintain any dynamic relation with already created pages. With already created pages. Next, there is a layout where actually we have the grid system. With the help of this layout, we can organize the components. We can organize the components. Okay. So these are the three modes we have in the template level, and these are the steps to create the template. Okay, fine. Now I will go and then I will show you how to create the template practically. Okay. Localhost 4502 aimstart.html, and I am logging with my credentials, which as I would say admin, and go to the components. So what is the steps to create the template? There are 5 steps: page component, template type, template, and enable the template, create new pages using the new template. These are the steps, right? So now I am going with the components. Go to the tools. There is a crxt, and where we have components folder. Go to your project, June project, and there is a components. These are the components. I am opening the components. Okay, fine, very good. Look for the page component. Is there any page component? Yeah, see, this is page component. So basically, at the time of 6.3 and all, this page component we need to create from scratch. This is we need to create from scratch. But time being, what Adobe team they did actually. So for time saving purpose, page component they provided by default. This is the predefined component. Okay. So in our case also, we will also use this predefined component. Based on that, we can design our own component. Now simply what I am doing, I am simply copying this page component, and where actually I would like to go to the components, and I am clicking on the components, paste. I can change to some other name like is article page. Okay. Okay, fine. And if you can expand, you can get the properties panel, right? This is the properties panel. In that properties panel also you can change to article page. Article page. Okay, fine. Save this one. Oh, okay, fine. Now this is what, this is custom component which I created using page component. Okay, I would like to go to here, and this is the custom component. This is the custom component. Okay, next we have the template type. So this is done now. Already I created a custom component. What I did actually, there are already predefined component will be there. I copied and I pasted and then I renamed right. This is called custom component. Okay, fine. Now this already ready. Based on that, like I need to create the template type. So where actually the template types you will be created. Go to tools. There is a option templates. Go to the, you can see here general, and there is a option templates. This is the option to create the templates, but my requirement is I want to create what template types. If you want to create the template types, go to config folder, right, config folder, and go to June batch, also settings WCM, yeah, and template types, yeah, and there is a page comp. This is what, this is template type. For template type, this is predefined one. No, I am copying this one, and then I would go to here template types. I am doing the paste. Okay, this also I change to article page. Article page. Okay, save or expand article page. Go to initial and JSR content. Click on JSR content, and here also you have to give the custom path. What actually the custom path is this one, right? You can copy this path, and then that path you should give to here. Are you guys clear with my statements, what I am doing and what I am saying? Save, save all, and expand initial also, structure also, expand structure and JSR content. Click on the JSR, and here also can do the same thing. You can do the same thing. Okay, save all, and save all. Okay, now this under the root also no need any container. This you also can delete. Open container, this also can delete. Okay, and click on that article title. There is a JSON title parallel to initial and structure. Click on that, and here also you can change to article page. This is what, this is template type, guys. This is template type, right? Okay, now this is what, this is template type. Who provided this one? Adobe team provided. That is the reason I am calling this is predefined one, right? Okay, and with the help of this one I created one template type, and I changed the paths. I'm copying this one, and I would like to come here, and I am pasting here. This is custom defined, meaning I only custom template type. I only created this one, right? Are you guys clear with my statements? Page component, template type. Now the both are internally connected with the type of, that is single source super type. Okay, fine. This is also done. Next we have the template. So template, how you can create the template? Go to, there is an option called general, and there is a console template. Go inside the console, and there is an option. If you want to go with your folder, you can go. This is the content page, and now I want to create the template. Article page is the template type, and then I am selecting that one, and here I am giving the template article. So simply click on this and done. So by default the template will be in the draft state. By default the template will be in the draft state. So draft meaning template will not be ready to use. We need to enable. We need to enable. Once you enable the template, then when you enable the template, when you enable the template, when you enable the template, then the template is ready to use. Okay, fine. Now coming to here, by default, which is in the draft state, you have to enable. Click on that enable, the template will be enabled. After this, what is the next step? Next step is create new pages using new template. Anywhere, wherever any project you can go. For example, I would like to go here sites, and then there itself we have, there is a batch June, US and EN. I'm going with the EN page, and I am authoring the EN page, and change to edit mode. Now this is the page, right? So here under EN page, I want to create a new page. This is the article template, and I am selecting that template, and then I am giving iPhone 16 page. iPhone 16 page. Okay, done. So you can see here. So initially you will be able, when I open this page, nothing will come. So see here, nothing will come. So actually I can create 2 3 pages under this hierarchy. One more page I need to create by using the same template. Here I can mention iPhone 16 Pro. Done. So these are the 3 pages which I created using the same template. How could I get the like which pages belong to which template? Simply click on that, you will get one box. See here, page title, page template is article, when created few seconds ago. So in real time scenarios, whoever is created this template, that person name will be displayed here. Okay. So any page, any website, any page, you can check the template like this. Okay, fine. Now here also I would go to uh, this is app in 16 page, right? Okay. So initially there is no drag option also. How could I drag the components? So simply you can go to the template of this page. There is a option template of this page. Go to that template, and here you can add the container. You can add the container. Okay, I added the container. Okay, fine. And now you can go here. Container is not coming because which is in the structure mode. You have to unlock. For example, when you click on that container, there is a lock option. You have to unlock. Click on this, and unlock. Now go to the that page. So now you can able to get the content. Now you can able to get the container. So this is called initial. Initial meaning we can add only the specific content to the page. By default, all components are locked. When you unlock the components in the template level, those components they can move from structure layout mode to initial mode. So here, whatever the components you want, that components you can add here. That components you can add here. Okay. I hope you guys are clear. So when you go to here, you can see there are in the template level there are three modes: structure and initial and layout. Structure. So you can get the structure mode like this. So it is also will be like this or not? Yes. Structure, initial and layout. Layout meaning arrange the component. For example, if you go here and this I want to move little bit left up, the component will be moved, and I want to move little bit right. So like this you can add all components. For example, there are 10 components. You can keep one component here, one component here, one component here, one component here, like that. Simply you can do the drag wherever you want. You can mention that one. Okay, that is all about layout. There are three modes, guys. What are the three modes? Structure, initial, layout. Structure meaning all components are locked. Initial meaning all components are unlocked. Okay, layout meaning you can organize the components, meaning you can adjust the components, meaning right to left, left to right. These all you can do. These are all the things you can do. I hope you guys are clear on what I'm saying. So I said like which will have the dynamic relation with already created basis and all that I can show you. For example, this is there are three pages which I already created by using which template? Article template. These are the three pages. Okay. So what I am saying is, in case of structure mode, if I add any content in the structure mode, so it will maintain dynamic relation with the already created pages. There are three created pages, right? iPhone 16 Pro 17 is the already created page. Now you guys see here what I am doing. I am going to the article template, and this is the template. And where actually I would like to add one more component actually. You guys can closely observe what I am doing. This is layout, right? You can change to structure. Okay. Now here one more component I would like to add, that is the structure. I would say text component, and this is text component I would like to add search software solutions. Okay, so where I made the changes in the template. Okay, so the text is affecting on all remaining all the pages or not, we can cross check. Okay, I would like to go first. We'll check the iPhone 16 page. I am editing the page. See here, coming or not? Yes. Go to and check in all other pages also. Check. Next one. Coming to iPhone 17 also. So basically, common content we will keep in the structure. For example, one company is maintaining some thousand pages. So after 3 months, they want to change the logo. So they have to go every page. They have to change the logo for every page. No. They should come to the template level in the structure mode. They can change the logo in the structure mode. Common content meaning header and footer. Okay, all the any website header and the footer will be the common. So content will be varied. For example, this is iPhone 17 page. What kind of content it can have? Only iPhone 17 images, iPhone 17 features, and all the information which is related to iPhone 7, iPhone 17. This is the page belong to iPhone 17. So that is the reason all the information which is belong to iPhone 17 only. Common content header and footer we will keep in the structure mode, and if I want to change the logo after 1 month, so simply I can come to the structure mode, and where actually I can change the logo that will affect to the all 1000 pages, 1000 to 2000 pages, any pages that website can contain, it can affect to all the pages. Okay, yeah. So if you guys what you can do, for example, some headers and footers I can give you. Yeah, you can design the header like this: logo and name, and these are the some tabs like home tab, about us, trainer, and this is again icon. Okay, and this you can take as the header component, and that you can create a header like this, and this is the header. You can design the header like this. So simply you can normally you can take the header component, and these are all the colors and all. These are all you can manage by using CSS. Okay, and logo, everything you can manage by using CSS. This is the header you can design, and footer also you can design. Footer I can give you. For example, I go to the footer. Some other footers I will give you. I will go to some Flipkart. Flipkart. So see here how they design the footer. Okay. So footer component also you can create one component, and you can design the footer like this. Okay. For these pages, this header and footer you can add in the template structure mode, and so when you add a header and footer, so that will be affected to all three created pages in our case. And after that, when you add those in the template level, then this is iPhone 16, right? You can download some images which are related to iPhone 16, and those images you can add to in the template in the page level. Like normally that already you can add an image component, and then you can add some I would say uh, image and text like that. You can make the pages header, content, specific content to the page, and footer. So this is the thing you have to do. Are you guys clear with my statements? Header you can design like this. Footer you can footer also can go with the bootstrap themes. There are a number of themes actually, but we need to have to have check. Here I will check with the some footers. We'll check with the Amazon footer how they design the footer and all. See here, you can design the footer this one. These options you can take. These options from here to here you can design the footer like this, and that footer you can add to the pages. So how your page design will be header and footer. Footer the structure should be like this, and these options you can add. These options you can add like get to know us, careers. You can add some. These all information is related to Amazon products, right? These are all the options you can add which are related to some search. Okay, and background you can give the color like as a preview. So this is your assignment. Design header, taking header component, design the header, and taking footer component, designing the footer, and go to the template. In the template level, you can in the structure mode you can add the I would say header component and footer component, and each page you can add the specific content. So this is the thing you can do. Very, very, very important. All topics are very, very important. Okay. Whatever the topics we are discussing, whatever the topics we are doing, everything is very, very important.